Tastemakers, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And today is International Chardonnay Day. How exciting. You know, I love wine days. I think they're always fun, so it's always cool to do this. So let me tell you just a little bit about Chardonnay. Chardonnay is the world's most popular white wine grape. Its origins are from Burgundy, France. And I just kind of wanted to get the basics out the way for this one because this video isn't solely designed for Chardonnay lovers today. This video is for the ABCs of the world, as they like to call themselves, anything but Chardonnay. I am always intrigued when I meet people and we're having wine conversations and they say, I don't like Chardonnay. I just can't drink Chardonnay. And I've learned from that experience, either people say that because it is a popular white wine. It is one that you will always see on a wine list at any various restaurants, from high-end to just moderately priced. And I think that a lot of people feel like it's an entry-level white wine into dry. And it's kind of all of those things, but I'm going to tell you the truth. When people really say that they do not like Chardonnay, what they are telling you, well, let me say what they are telling me and how I interpret it. They are telling me that they have not experienced high quality Chardonnay. Usually when people dislike Chardonnay, they haven't drank some of your premium Chardonnays. And today, come on, you know I got your back. I'm going to introduce you to some Chardonnay, to a Chardonnay that is a high quality Chardonnay that will definitely not disappoint. One of the things that I realize about people who say they don't like Chardonnay, I ask them, hey, do you like champagne? And they'll say, yeah, I love champagne, or they do like champagne. Well, we all know that champagne contains Chardonnay, especially if you're drinking a Blanc de Blanc. So if you can drink that and enjoy that, I totally understand that it's in a sparkling wine form, but the notes are still similar. It's still there, and it is still the grape varietal. You can drink Chardonnay. So I challenge everyone who is part of that, I don't drink Chardonnay, I can't drink Chardonnay, I haven't found a Chardonnay that I like. Explore different Chardonnays. Explore Chardonnays from different areas. Begin in Burgundy. As I mentioned, that's where its origins are from. That's the holy grail. The most revered Chardonnays in the world come from Burgundy. Check out Australia, Argentina, and even California. You all know that I am a champion for American wines if you have been watching my channel for a while. So just explore your particular style. Explore whether or not you like oak or un-oak. Even get down to the type of oak barrels that you like. Do you like French oak? Do you like American oak? Because they all impart different flavors. Just really take the time to discover and explore the different Chardonnays. Don't give up on the grape varietal because, as I stated, it's one that's everywhere. And one of the things that I believe in being a true wine enthusiast and really studying wine, you want to be able to drink just about any style of wine. Now, you're definitely going to have your favorites, but not every experience will allow you to select your favorite. So you want to have versatility to be able to be, whether you are at an after five affair or at your local chain restaurant meeting up friends. You want to be able to find something on the list. You want to be able to find a producer and a great varietal on that list that you can really go to. And people like great recommendations too. I love Chardonnay drinkers. I really enjoy exploring Chardonnays from different areas. Again, explore it, figure out what it is that you like about that particular grape varietal, and stick with that. I'll tell you all an honest fact. I'm not crazy about Chablis. I tend to only like Chablis whenever I'm eating raw oysters. However, I made myself learn Chablis. I was studying Chablis. I was figuring out, what is it that I did not like? But when I found the perfect pairing for me with Chablis, I was able to appreciate that particular version of Chardonnay. So I gave you my own account of not liking a particular style of Chardonnay. So again, don't give up. Don't be one of those people, because we don't want to drink with those people anyway. No, I'm kidding. Not really. But you could all sit with us. Anyway, let's get into the video. But prior to me introducing the wine that we will be enjoying, do not forget to like and subscribe, and definitely comment on this video. Take the time out to do that now. Hit that like button. We want to see those likes go up so more people can find us and we can convert all the Chardonnay drinkers, well, the non-Chardonnay drinkers over. Anyway, let me get into the wine that we are drinking. So we are enjoying Floral Springs. We know that we love Floral Springs. They are a friend of the channel. This is the 2018 Floral Springs Chardonnay. This wine is 100% Chardonnay, and the grapes were sourced from the Oak Knolls District and Carneros within Napa Valley. Additionally, 2018 was an ideal growing season within Napa Valley, and it produced very well-balanced wines. So since it produced great wines, and we know that Floral Springs is an exceptional producer, let's hop into my favorite part, the tasting of the wine. So, one of the things that I liked about this wine, I really loved the straw color of this wine. It was just beautiful. Just looking at the glasses. You all know I really like looking at the wine glass. I think that's always cool. Anyway, let's smell it. So upon smelling, I picked up notes of tropical fruit and spice. And that is confirming from earlier today. So let's get into my favorite part again, the tasting. I'm always intrigued by people who do not like Chardonnay. This is beautiful. Okay, let me give you the tasting notes of this. It really perplexes me when people say they cannot drink Chardonnay. Anyway, the tasting notes of this wine, you're going to pick up apple, mango, pineapple, and a hint of vanilla. Because this wine was fermented and aged in majority French oak, it touched a little bit of American oak, but majority French oak. You are going to get a hint of cinnamon on this, confirming that spice on the nose. And it is just has a nice creamy texture. This is a nice full body Chardonnay that deserves to be enjoyed by someone who is capable of appreciating this wine. The DGLW rating we are giving this Floral Springs Chardonnay is we are living well with this wine. We are outside enjoying the sunshine. As you see, it's sunny here. We are having a nice meal with this. So let's hop into the pairings of this beautiful wine. So I paired this wine with pan-seared chicken thighs with a spinach garlic sauce that my blogger friend Natasha cooked. She is an amazing cook, and I will have the information in the description box of where you can find her and find that recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, and it needs a beautiful Chardonnay with this. In addition to that recipe, I would pair this with crab legs and also a creamy pasta. Because of that creamy texture and the full bodiness, anything with sauce or just a hint of butter would just really complement this Chardonnay. Now, as you may remember from the last Floral Springs video, you can enjoy this bottle of Chardonnay $10 off with the code that will be in the description and the link to the website to purchase on Floral Springs website. I highly recommend, if you are not a Chardonnay drinker or if you have not found a Chardonnay that you truly like, step it up with this one. This bottle is under $40. So moderately priced, but when you don't like a particular grape varietal and you really haven't had it on a high level, this will help you level up. So share this one with a wine drinker who needs to level up their Chardonnay wine experience, and share it with a Chardonnay lover outside enjoying the day. It is May, so it should be sunny where you are. I'm assuming that it's sunny where you are. You all know that I'm in Houston now. So this just makes a perfect day. Until we meet again, drink good, live well, and happy International Chardonnay Day. try something new, stretch, and try the Floral Springs. You have a $10 off coupon from me. Until we meet again.